Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to master pleating. So by the end of this video, I want you to be able to pleat any piece of fabric in your sleeve. So I don't believe in just watching the video. I want you to go get a sari. If you don't have a sari available, a blanket, a bed sheet, a scarf, any long piece of fabric with a straight edge. So pause the video and go get your sari or your bed sheets. Okay, you're back? Great, okay. So I have a sari here. This is a Kanjipuram sari, and usually when I drape, I will tuck it in and turn it around, and then I will start pleating somewhere here. For the purposes of practicing and getting the technique, you can literally start at the end of your fabric. This is my way of pleating. There's many different ways of pleating, but this is, I find, the easiest. So you're gonna take your hand and you're gonna make a shape like this. So you're gonna take the 3 middle fingers and the thumb. Okay, so only your pinky should be sticking out. Everything else, kind of like a little puppet. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your fabric with those 3 fingers and the thumb, and you're gonna grasp it like that. So if this was like a fox or something, it just like bit onto the sari. A strong, but like not like grasping hold. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to guide the sari towards the pinky. And as soon as the sari gets to the pinky, you're going to put the pinky down. Okay? Good job. All right, and then you're gonna bring the sari back and you're going to go to your thumb. Now your thumb should be touching your ring finger. And as you get better at this, you can determine how wide you want your pleats depending on where the thumb hits. So it can touch your pinky for wider pleats, it can touch your middle finger for narrower pleats. So I'm going to bring it back to my thumb and lift it up and grab it. All right, got it? Okay, now, again, we're gonna go right back to our pinky, lift up our pinky, and grab the material. And if you're doing this taut enough, like it should be taut, it shouldn't be like loosey-goosey, then the sari will stay within your hands. And we're back to the thumb, we grab it, and that's it, guys. You literally do that as many times as you need to. And I find that it doesn't matter how big or small, short or long your fingers are or your hands are. This is a technique that will work regardless of how beautiful your hands are and how perfectly they were made. And then once you've got enough pleats, you want to hold on and okay, so put all of your focus on your thumb. And let's say you were grasping the thumb to the ring finger, so that's where I've got it, like I'm grasping the thumb to the ring finger. I'm gonna hold there and let all of the other fingers go. So now I have like the middle finger and the ring finger. And then you have your pleats. Just grab the other end with your other hand and you can let it go and you can just say thank you to this hand. Good job. Like stretch it out. All right, we're not done yet. So then, you have these beautiful pleats. Now this will work with any material, and you can follow some of my other hack videos on how to get these pleats looking even more beautiful. But that's it. This is all you gotta do. Most people do it like this with their hands, and because all the control is in the fingertips, I find that as the material gets heavier, it's harder to do it this way. Whereas what I've just showed you, like you're using your whole hand, and this is especially useful for those of you who feel like you have shorter fingers or smaller hands, because you're using as much real estate of your hand as possible, and that's why all the control is in your hand and not in your fingertips. So you can basically use this tip for Kanjipuram saris, your Benares saris, cotton saris, heavy embroidered saris, literally any sari in your wardrobe, this will work for, and it'll be easy. And once you have this technique down, you can basically create any drape that requires pleats, you know, at the ends of the sari or on the widths of the sari. I hope this has been helpful, and remember, practice makes perfect. So when you're sitting on the couch watching TV, grab that blanket and start practicing. When you're sitting on the bus with your scarf, you can start practicing. Take every moment to practice your pleats, and when you go to wear your sari, you are going to have the most beautiful pleats. I hope this has been helpful.